Localization is about shifting leadership from international actors to local organizations so that they're not just implementing, but they're leading humanitarian logistics efforts.
Speed is of relevance. Speed saves lives, and when we act locally, we can be faster to respond.
During times of humanitarian disasters, it's the local communities that suffer the most. So it really just makes perfect sense that we capacitate the local community to respond to these disasters because that adds to their resiliency.
There's a lot of capacity that is underutilized and can be put to good use in the event of crisis, but the planning needs to be done in advance.
Taking responsibility for what you own in the entire ecosystem. You know where the problems are, you know what can be done, you know where the gaps are. Try and find ways to minimize, if you can't solve it completely, but at least make sure that you are prepared to face what unavoidably is coming to you.
For me, is how to improve the local capacity without forgetting the interconnection, interoperability with global and regional level.
Our localization approach is as global, as necessary, as local as possible.
The international community can help and should help, but only when necessary, and should do everything that doesn't get in the way of the locals.
It's about time that we learn how to become self-sufficient. Although we definitely need foreign aid, but at some point we need to be able to do the work ourselves.
We want to have more effective and efficient response and bringing all the stakeholders, including public and private partnership, into the table.
One good example of a country that has shifted towards localization is the Philippines. Within the country, they have the Philippines Disaster Resilience Foundation, PDRF, which band together humanitarian organizations, the government and the private sector for a more cohesive local response.
We should continue working very much with markets and the private sector towards localization and really bringing the capacities of those markets to enable this localization and develop those economies. But at the same time, we have to continue working and talking to governments to create policies that can bring those changes to a conclusion.
When there's a will, there's a way, and it needs to start with a round table with all the stakeholders together.